Hey Solly, it's Mike Cochran here. I just wanted to create a little quick video um, to walk you through some questions that I had on the file that you sent me. This is the process. Thanks for reminding me that I needed to put the merge node in there. Um, this is the simulation configuration, and if I open up the specification and go to the timing properties, um, what I did was, because here on the step delay I had um, actually divided one step size of a minute by 60 so that I had 1 second equal to 1 minute. Um, and when I ran that, um, you can see that each step is 1 second, so it's a minute, and it's building everything up, which is great. But what I wanted to do was to and let me kill this. What I wanted to do was to add a histogram to this process duration simulation configuration, and because right now the number of runs is 1, and you can see that to run one run or execute one run, it's going to take about 25 to 35 seconds. So what do I do to change the timing properties? Because if I eliminate all these timing properties except for the sim time, it doesn't seem to execute any faster. And at the same time, if I try to do a simulation on this and run it, um, you'll notice that it just gets hung up here at step 1 because it's actually waiting for at least 3 minutes to 5 minutes to execute step 1 and go on to step 2. So the only way I've been able to get the animation to display while I'm running this is to just actually right click on the process diagram and run the simulation. So I can't do it from going up here to the simulation configuration. So these are some nuances that I'm not really able to figure out, but the main thing that I wanted to do, let me kill this. The main thing that I wanted to do is to be able to add a histogram to this process duration and be able to do it like 1,000 runs. But right now, if it takes half a minute to do one run, I'll never get there. So I am looking at the time duration video that you sent me a link um, to see if there's some information in there. But if there's anything that you could help me with, I'm just trying to add another UI with the histogram here and play with the timing properties so that I can generate like 1,000 runs of this thing.